What's up, y'all? Today we doing turbo oil drain and feed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. So now we know that the turbo fits. I can start wrapping this adhesive strip. So this is what we got so far. We wrapped those lines down there. So now I'm gonna try to wrap some of this right here. This power steering line right here. I'm gonna wrap. Well, it has some protectant. Rubber hose protectant, but I'm gonna wrap this heater core. So don't mind the neighbors, but that's the kids playing. So trying to get to the OPS right here. We have the 5, 6, 15, 16s. And let me hit with some PB blast because like it's a little rusty. Maybe with some PB. And then so got the oil pressure sensor out. Just be ready, there's a little bit of oil is gonna come out. I got the car jacked up, so front. So it will come out. Just a little, don't worry. So now we're gonna take this. It's tight. Alright, y'all, so we got it in there. So we're not gonna snug these because you don't want nothing to snap. But I'm gonna give it one more, one more gut ooga for the road. Alright, okay. That was good. Alright, now we have the oil feed connected. We got the oil drain on. Just tighten it a little more with my finger. Okay, so now go ahead and adjust it. So it's gonna be this much like this. Now we're gonna put this oil feed on and I'm gonna go to the bottom and get the drain ready. Okay, now I got the line right here. So this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna put the side cover timing drain. So we're gonna remove those 3 10 mils. I'll be right back. Okay, we got it off. I'm gonna clean that gasket, make her up a little. I already got some Honda Bond on the maintenance surface. Just gonna slide that. All right, so we got the feed on there. The drain right into the timing cover side. So I'll make sure it's nice and snug. See that? So now that we got the turbo feed and drain together, I'm gonna get the valve cover back on. All right, so we got everything back on. Let's make sure though. So we got the turbo feed, drain, we got the heat wraps, we got the wastegate mounted, we got the turbo manifold mounted 100%,